Hey traders, Ethereum is making waves this week, jumping 13% and now hovering around $2,350. Trading volume in the last 24 hours is also heating up, which usually means one thing: big players are paying attention. So what's next? Are we gearing up for the next bullish breakout? Or is this just a classic trap before a pullback? If Ethereum holds strong above key levels, we could see more upside momentum. But if volume fades or resistance kicks in, a short-term dip wouldn't be surprising. Stay smart, stay cautious, and remember, the market loves to surprise. What do you think, bullish or trap? Let me know below. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest Ethereum price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for Ethereum. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.